The act here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have our detonator standing at ready. Now, I want you, the audience, to join in with me as we are going to chant "Fire in the Hole." We're going to chant that 3 times. And on the last "Fire in the Hole," Daniel, you're going to push that detonator down. All right, everybody with me. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Well, Daniel, you know what? I don't think you pushed the handle down hard enough. Raise the handle back up. You gotta really put some strength into it now. Now we're gonna do this one more time. All right, everybody, are you ready? I said, are you ready? Do it with me. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Well, I'll tell you what, I want to hear it for the Marines EOD at Miramar. Ladies and gentlemen, please take it easy driving home. We'd like to see you out here tomorrow for the ending of Miramar 2010 Air Show. Thank you so much. Take it easy going home. You're going to be bumper to bumper going out. And on behalf of my co-announcer and good friend, Mr. Rob Ryder, this